In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Miota future while examining particle cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like particle. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the particle value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Miota is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will Miota succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will particle value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Miota and its to-date history. Particle introduction. Particle was begun to give circulated record innovation to the machines and web of things, Iota, space where little associated gadgets routinely share information. Since these machines and gadgets are for the most part concentrated to be low power and carry out just unambiguous roles, particle doesn't utilize a customary agreement instrument like proof of work or proof of stake, nor does it utilize a blockchain structure. It rather utilizes an alternate kind of open record with a famous moniker, the knot. The objective of the venture is to permit these gadgets to manage micropayment exchanges among themselves and possibly to move information safely. At the center of the venture is alluded to as the tangle, a coordinated non-cyclic diagram, DAG, that goes about as the public record framework. The group accepts that this design will take into account feeless installments, lower figure cost, and the capacity to interface with billions of gadgets. The effectiveness of this framework likewise becomes as the quantity of members increments as exchanges will be handled at a quicker rate. One of the undertaking's later deliveries was an information commercial center that considers putting away and selling information streams while concealing the wellspring of the information. In any case, one thing to recollect with regards to particle, it is as yet a totally unified try with no substantial date for evacuation of their facilitator. This was unmitigatedly clear in February 2020 when their center wallet, Trinity, got hacked and client reserves taken. To research the issue, Particle stopped the entire organization by requiring the organizer disconnected for several days. Particle value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable with the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and crucial evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. Particle value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 0.34% $0. 2621, 2022 November plus 1.90% $0. 2680, 2022 December plus 11.11% $0. 2922. 2023 January plus 13.47% $0. 2984, 2023 February plus 16.58% $0. 3066, 2023 Blemish, plus 19.14% $0. 3133, 2023 April plus 23.94% $0. 3259, 2023 May, plus 27.62% $0. 3356, 2023 June plus 44.28% $0. 3795, 2023 July plus 39.82% $0. 3677, 2023 August plus 43.82% $0. 3782, 2023 September plus 53.00% $0.4024 Miota Value Forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees Miota coming to $0.8836 in 2025. What will Miota be worth in 5 years? The cost of Miota in 5 years could lie around $0.6156. Particle Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What particle will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees particle coming to $2.21 in 2030. What particle will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees particle coming to $4.42 in 2040. Will particle supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, particle won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might particle at any point reach $10? Indeed, it is conceivable that particle can reach $10, however just in a removed future, after 2030. Might particle at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for particle to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Is particle worth purchasing? We are promoters of decently unsafe financial planning. Put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, particle merits purchasing. Is particle a wise speculation? Particle is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will particle be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.2462.